Hi guys, we're going to be doing the notes for acceleration today. Okay, so we would be doing this activity that my lovely assistant Kylie is going to be doing. We'd be doing it together. However, since I'm not there, she has graciously volunteered to be my demonstrator of this activity. It's going to be very similar to our flag activity that we have done before, where we dropped flags at a slow speed, then we stopped and dropped flags, and then we went at a faster speed and dropped the flags. This is going to be called the oil drop activity. We're still going to be using flags, just in a different way. So Kylie has 5 paper flags, and I have a timer. Every time the timer hits 1 second, I'm going to tell her to drop. She's going to begin at a slow speed, a very, very slow speed, and she's going to constantly speed up over time until all 5 paper flags have been dropped. Then after that, she's going to go ahead and go back to her starting point, count how many feet from the start point to 1 flag, to 2 flags, to 3 flags, so on and so forth. She has a different color that she will go back and use the different color flags, and then she will do the same activity, except she's going to begin at a fast pace and then go down to a slower pace until all 5 flags are dropped, and then again go back and let me know how many feet are in between. Okay, so with that being said, Kylie, okay, you ready to do this activity?
Yeah.
All right, so like I said before, she is going to start slow. She's going to start at an extremely slow pace and then gradually get faster and faster and faster. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go. Drop, 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 drop. Good? All right. Okay, so now what she's going to do is she's going to come back to her starting point, and then she's going to go ahead and count how many feet are from her starting point to her first one, and then starting point to second, third, so on and so forth. Okay. All right. Yeah, perfect. 4. Perfect. So her first one is going to be 4. We are going to be documenting this under speed up distance. Okay. 5. All right. 6. 6. Okay. 5. Okay, perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, perfect. That sounds good. Now we're gonna go back and we are going to be doing our slowing down distance in feet. So we're gonna go ahead and start kind of here in a minute in our part 2. I will give you some different data to go ahead and write down. So it's going to be kind of combined over here. So this is good for our documentation in part 2. When we start going over more about the data, then I'll have different numbers here for you to go ahead and write down. So this is the activity. So she started from a slow speed and gradually went faster and faster and faster. Now she's going to be doing the opposite with different colored flags, and now she's going to be starting at a quicker speed and then she's going to slow down. Okay. All right, friend, you ready? All right, so right now she's going to be starting at a faster speed and then slowly going to a slower one. Well, gradually going to a slower one. Okay, you ready? And 3, 2, 1. So starting out fast, drop, 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 drop. Great. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and go back over here. And then Miss Kylie is going to go ahead and let us know the feet between each of them, and then we will document it here. And when we go back to do our notes, like I said, I will show you the difference with some of these kind of combined. Okay? 9. Okay, so 9 is our first one.
7.
Okay, 7. 6. 5. And our last one here, 4. Beautiful. Okay, so here in a minute, I will again show you what it is, kind of adding these all up. But just looking at this data that Kylie has given me, you can tell that it's gradually increasing, and you will continue to see it continuously increasing as I give you some different data that has it kind of calculated together. For our slowing down distance in feet, you can see here it goes from 9 to 7 to 6 to 5 to 4. So the distance between the flags is getting smaller. It's getting smaller and smaller and smaller. So this is going to be part 1, the activity portion of the notes. Go ahead and go to part 2 after this, and I will show you the rest. Thanks.